In fact, Malden Mills is known for going out of its way to help its employees, even when the company suffered a shattering setback.
It started around 8 o'clock.
Explosions boomed into the night.
Spectacular general
Two
alarm.
buildings still burning
You
at the
can still see the orange glow in the
There's just
sky.
no way to quantify this at this
And all of
point.
this happened, of course, just 2 weeks before Christmas.
The fire that broke out at Malden Mills in the winter of '95 was the largest fire Massachusetts had seen for a century. No one was killed, but the town was devastated. Malden Mills was one of the few large employers in a town that was already in desperate straits. By morning, just about all that remained of the mill was ashes. As you watched the place burn, what was going through your mind?
The only thing that went through my mind was, how can I possibly recreate it?
Aaron Feuerstein is the owner of Malden Mills. He's 76, the third generation of his family to run the mill.
I was proud of the family business, and I wanted to keep that alive, and I wanted that to survive. But I also felt the responsibility for all my employees to take care of them, to give them jobs.
And he made a decision, one that others in the textile industry found hard to believe. While the fire was still smoldering, Feuerstein decided to rebuild right there in Lawrence. Decided not to move south or overseas as much of the industry had done in search of cheap labor. And he made another shocking decision.
For the next 30 days, all our employees will be paid their full salaries.